Hey, it's Shane Boyle with Supplement, and I got a beautiful condo to show you. We're back again on 96th Street, right off the park. And what I love about this apartment is not the big bay windows behind me, it's not the high ceilings, it's not the full gut renovation or the home office. It's the low common charge of taxes of $12.68 a month. Crazy. It's February here in New York and it's pretty cold, but the market is super hot. Let's go check it out. Welcome to Unit 5. As soon as you enter into the apartment, you have a beautiful kitchen that's fully renovated. You got a separate dining area, big coat closet. Take the steps up and you got this huge living room. You have over 10-foot ceilings. You've got this long bedroom, great closet space and extra storage above. Additional storage in the living room. Take a couple of steps up, you have a fully renovated bathroom, another large closet, and this entire separate home office, which has a great opening letting in some light overlooking the living room. Contact me for more details.